Послушайте, люди, что я вам скажу. Я песен спою, я песен свожу. Как были друзья Марк и Эйстон.
I'm gonna show you an ancient craft of making flower garlands. Okay, first I'll show this how you start. For a start you get flowers like this lined up. Then you put them across, go around the stems. Oops. And secure the flowers that you put in here. And then the next one, going across and down. So as you add flowers, your stems, your base for your garland elongates, grows further and further right here. And you can take 2 flowers or 1 flower at a time to add them. And sometimes the stems break when you do this. So you make sure that you need the flowers with flexible stems that don't break at the base. So this is oxalis, and right now we have an incredible spring. It's like it's been wet and wet and wet, and the flowers are blooming so profusely. And when I was growing up, it was dandelions. Dandelions were everywhere, and the color, this color of yellow, bright yellow, was the color of spring and the color of you know, warmth and sun coming finally after the long winter. And as children, we would go out and we would make these garlands, this wreath, for ourselves, and we would actually wear them. And I'll make some more here. And you can include, we need to weed our yard, so double purpose. Some weeding will be done and this too. So you can add leaves or other flowers or grass, anything in the same manner. So every next round of added flowers kind of holds the previous flowers, stems that you put on. And at the end, you need to put it all together. It's kind of small, but you can make it longer. I can make it longer. But at the end, you need to secure it, put it together right here. So making sure that your garland is staying together. And oftentimes You can do it with just a blade of grass, long grass, a flexible one. Let's see if this stem will break or not here. It's about to break because it's, yeah. And we can use maybe this one. Oh, this is a notorious weed that kind of sticks to you. Sticks to your clothes, everything. Let's see, maybe it will make the garland stick together. And at the end you can tuck it in there. Cut the ends. And that's the idea. It's kind of small garland because it's made very fast. A little crown. But there are so many flowers that you can make them longer, bigger, you know, and wear them. And teach your kids also how to do that. Just a little fun family activity out on your picnic, or maybe in the back of your yard when you're weeding.
Послушайте, люди, что я вам скажу. Я песен спою, я песен свожу. Как были друзья.